Was that you making that racket, was it? Can you hear the kookaburras in the background? They just love their call. Are you going to come over? You're welcome. Are you going to eat it or are you going to take it to your nest? Take it to your nest. All right, what about you? You come down, you can come up and have it because I don't want to go down the stairs. They're wet. It's been raining overnight. Is it good? G'day guys, welcome back. Welcome to Pouring Your Heart Out. Now, today is New Year's Eve for me. You won't see this video until New Year's Day, but Happy New Year! Hope everyone's had a lovely New Year's Eve, and hopefully we can move on from 2020, which was not a very good year, I must say, and hopefully 2021 will be much better. And thank you everyone so much for all your support this year. You've all been so amazing. I've loved spending the whole year with you, and hopefully we can do it all again next year. Now today, because it's New Year's Eve, I want to do something a bit special. Well, maybe not special, a bit different. Something I've never ever done before, and totally inspired by the beautiful Molly. Hi Molly, from Molly's Artistry. She did this gorgeous, like a starburst Dutch pour. I have done starbursts before, but swipes. I have never done a Dutch pour. Okay? Hairdryer. Never. So, I'm a bit nervous. Hopefully it works, cross fingers. But again, because it's New Year's Eve, I thought I'd go maybe something like fireworks. So, metallics. Gold, silver, blue for the sky, and black for the night sky. So fireworks inspired. So let's get started. This is a 40 centimeter canvas, 16 inch. My pouring medium is water and Floetrol. I know Molly just uses water, but I want to throw in a bit of Floetrol just to make it my own, and who knows, look, it may work, it may not work. The black is Liquitex Basics. This is the ivory black. The black and the blue have got 30 grams, 1 ounce of Liquitex Basics, and 20 grams of Floetrol and 1 ounce of water to make it nice and thin. Now my blue, I've mixed 50-50 phthalo blue and Prussian blue. This one just seemed a little bit purpley toned, so I've mixed those two together to get this one. So no mound, totally different to flip cup pours. The silver and the gold are the extreme sheen. Now these paints are thinner than the Liquitex Basics, so I haven't added as much of the Floetrol or the water. I did 30 grams of each of those, so 1 ounce, and then I did 10 grams of Floetrol and 10 grams of water. I have probably kept them a little bit on the thicker side, thicker than these, I think, because I'm hoping that these two paints will fly over the top and the gold and the silver will create cells which pop up, but I don't want the cells to overstretch. That's my thinking anyway. The side, I just got a little bit of black paint straight from there, and I just did my sides, okay, because this is very thin. I didn't want the paint on the sides to you know, not show up or not be opaque enough. So there we go. My hairdryer is a Vidal Sassoon, I think that's what it's called, VS. It's got one of these flat nozzles on. I've got it on cool, and then I don't even know, do you put it on low or high? I don't know. I'm going to try low because I don't know. Anyway, let's get started. I'm excited. What's the bets that don't work? Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to put a little bit of black in the middle first because I'm going to basically blow black over the top of the other colors. And then I thought some silver would look nice against the black. And then we'll go blue. So I'm alternating regular paint with metallic paint. And see how we go with that. Still looks a little bit purpley, doesn't it? I'll put a little bit of black there as well. Actually, no. Let's go with the gold. A little bit of gold. And then a little bit of the navy again. And then the silver. Hope I've got enough. I wasn't sure how much paint to mix up. I'm going a bit crooked. Doesn't matter. So hopefully I'll get some nice metallic cells popping up. Alright, so that one's empty. And then we'll go with a little bit more black, I guess. Haven't got a lot of the black left. I might have to actually get actually you can just go cross over like that, and I'll put the rest on my corners, which is my navy. It's all going to blend together anyway when I blow it across, I think. Oh, I shouldn't have tried this on New Year's Eve, and I shouldn't have tried with a big canvas. I should have started small, hey? All right, let's go with some more navy. And then I've got just enough, I think, to put some black on my corners. I didn't go very straight here, did I? Like I said, it's not going to matter. Hopefully I've got enough paint to cover everything. And then I've got a little bit of black left. Just put that on the corners there. Like so. Hopefully our corners will get covered. Okay. That is it. All right. Wish me luck, everybody. This is nerve-wracking. Just emptying out my little cup. All right. There we go. Let me wipe my hands. Oh, hope this works. Sure, it won't be anything as beautiful as Molly's or Rinska's. They're the Dutch pour experts, but I'm going to give it a go. Now, do I blow this way or do I blow this way? I think if I go like that, it's going to be more down. I want it to be more across, so I think I'll hold it upside down and hang on to the cord. Put the cord over my shoulder. There we go. That way it's not going to drip in. All right, here we go. I'm just going to blow the black out. Wish me luck. Did it work? I've got some cells. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. All right, let's do it again. Maybe that was a bit hard. I don't know. Let's go again. Oh, that's looking pretty. Look at that. It's more ocean. I think it's more ocean inspired than New Year's Eve, but all right, how do I do this now? I've got to come around the other side. Go the other way. Whoops, wrong button. Okay. Oh, well, it's working. Oh, look at my cells. How am I going to do this corner here now? Actually, let me turn it around. Let me just turn that around. There we go. And then I can blow out away from me. Try and get this black to go across the top. I don't think I've got much black left, you guys. I don't think I've put enough black in the middle. It's a bit thin. It's not like, you know, spreading. That's probably my bad. Didn't do enough. Oh no, look, I'll just keep going. Alrighty. Yeah, I just did not have enough black in the middle to, you know, spray over the top, but woohoo, I did it. Oh my gosh. Let me give it a bit of a torch. I do like the black center. Let's turn that off. So what do you think? Wow, my first judge pour. Which way would it go? Yeah, that'll do. And my sides are covered because I blew the paint right over. Well, totally not New Year's Eve, but I'm happy with it. Look, I've got some gorgeous cells. It's going to be really pretty when it's dry and shiny. Let me turn that ring light off. It still looks like, even though it's not New Year's Eve, it looks like the weather outside today. It's overcast. The sky's grey with a little bit of blue. It's got a tiny bit of sun trying to peek out from behind the clouds. It's kind of like that, kind of like the weather today. What do you think of it? Is it okay for my first time? I probably shouldn't be trying to teach you things when, you know, I'm no expert at these, but I thought, look, I'm going to just give it a go. End the year with a bang, hey? The big bang. What do you think of the cells? Like, I could have, I think, even probably kept my metallics a little bit thicker because they've stretched a bit. Or maybe I just didn't have enough paint. Maybe. It could be the reason. Huge cells in the middle there. I guess that's because I used Floetrol. Maybe I should try without the Floetrol. Or do you like the big cells? You know me, I like big cells and I cannot lie. You know that. Oh, it's going to be so pretty when it's dry. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you like it, if you don't like it. If I should just stick to paint and water without the Floetrol. Let me know what you think. And I'll leave it there. But Happy New Year, everybody. Thanks for an amazing year. Hope to see you all in 2021. Love you all. Take care. Bye for now.